First up, we have the Plowing 4560, a masterpiece of agricultural technology developed by Plowing, a company hailing from France. This machine is a testament to cutting-edge design, specializing in vineyard management and fruit harvesting. Its ability to gently and efficiently harvest grapes while preserving the quality of the fruit is unparalleled. Notably, the Plowing 4560 boasts an advanced sorting system, ensuring that only the best grapes make it through the process. This machine is a game changer for winemakers looking to optimize their harvest and produce top-tier wines. Next, let's talk about the HYV-HB 130. HYV, based in the Netherlands, has created this powerful hydraulic breaker designed to handle the toughest demolition and construction projects. What sets the HYV-HB 130 apart is its robust design, capable of delivering high-impact energy for breaking through concrete, rock, and asphalt with ease. It's a vital tool for construction companies looking to increase efficiency and safety on site. The HB 130 is celebrated for its durability and low maintenance requirements, making it a cost-effective solution for heavy-duty work. Moving on to the VTN Rotary Screening Bucket, a marvel from Italy by VTN Europe. This innovative attachment is designed for screening, separating, and washing materials directly on site. Compatible with a range of excavators, it's perfect for recycling, demolition, and construction projects. The VTN Rotary Screening Bucket's ability to process materials quickly and efficiently, reducing waste and saving time, is a standout feature. It's an essential tool for businesses aiming to enhance their environmental sustainability practices and operational efficiency. Lastly, we have the Swadro TC 1250 and TC 1370, brought to us by Krone, a leading company from Germany known for its agricultural machinery. These high-performance rotary tedders are designed for the efficient spreading and aerating of hay, ensuring optimal drying conditions. The Swadro models are renowned for their reliability, exceptional work quality, and ease of use. A special feature is their maintenance-free rotor gearbox and robust build, guaranteeing longevity and smooth operation. These machines are indispensable for farmers looking to improve the quality of their forage and streamline their haymaking process. Starting with the Storti Doberman SW160 Evo, a product of Storti, an innovative company from Italy. This machine is a game changer in the world of feed mixers. It's designed to efficiently mix and distribute animal feed, ensuring a homogeneous blend every time. The Doberman SW160 Evo stands out for its robustness and reliability, making it a vital tool for farmers looking to optimize their livestock's nutrition. Its special feature includes an advanced mixing system that reduces processing time while improving mix quality. Next up, we have the John Deere 800R floater, crafted by the renowned American agricultural giant, John Deere. This state-of-the-art machine is built for precision and durability. It's primarily used for applying nutrients and protectants across vast fields with unparalleled accuracy. The 800R floater is especially known for its auto-track guidance system, which ensures precise application, reducing waste and environmental impact. It's a perfect match for large-scale farmers and agronomists committed to sustainable farming practices. Moving on to the Plowing, Almond Toad, a masterpiece from Pellenc, a French company known for its innovative agricultural machinery. This machine is specifically designed for almond harvesting, offering a gentle yet effective collection method that preserves the quality of the nuts. Its standout feature is the unique harvesting system that minimizes damage to both the almonds and the trees, maximizing yield and ensuring the sustainability of the orchard. It's an essential tool for almond producers aiming to enhance efficiency and product quality. Lastly, let's talk about the Homer Terra Dose T4, a beet harvester that represents the pinnacle of German engineering by Homer. This machine is all about precision and efficiency, designed to harvest sugar beets with minimal soil disturbance. The Terra Dose T4 is recognized for its eco-friendly features, including fuel efficiency and a reduction in soil compaction. Its ability to harvest beets at a faster rate without sacrificing quality makes it a valuable asset for sugar beet farmers looking to increase productivity and sustainability. The LaRue T80 is a powerhouse when it comes to clearing snow. Built by J.A. LaRue Inc., a company based in Canada, this self-propelled snowblower is designed to tackle even the heaviest snowfalls. What makes the T80 stand out is its capacity to throw snow up to 85 feet away, ensuring that roads and paths are clear and safe for use. This machine is particularly useful for municipalities and service operators who need to maintain clear roads during the winter months. Next up is the TigerCat LH 822D harvester, a creation of TigerCat Industries from Canada. This machine is a beast in the forestry sector, designed for the efficient harvesting of trees. Its strength lies in its durability and advanced hydraulic systems, making it perfect for long hours of work in the forest. The LH822D is especially noted for its fuel efficiency and low environmental impact, making it a favorite among logging companies looking to reduce their carbon footprint. The VTN Crusher Bucket, brought to us by VTN Europe from Italy, is revolutionizing the way we think about material processing. This crusher bucket is an innovative tool that can be attached to excavators for on-site crushing of materials. This means reduced material transport costs and the ability to recycle materials directly on the job site. Its special feature is the adjustable jaw settings, allowing for the output size of the crushed material to be customized according to specific needs. It's particularly useful in construction and demolition projects for efficient waste management. Lastly, we have the REC Grasselage from Germany, crafted by REC Agrartechnik. This machine is designed for spreading and distributing silage in agricultural settings. Its precision and efficiency in distributing silage evenly make it a vital tool for farmers aiming to provide consistent and quality feed for their livestock. The Grasselage stands out for its ability to reduce labor and ensure uniform feed distribution, essential for optimizing the health and productivity of farm animals.